This is a 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. Its top features include power adjustable driver pedals, a power passenger seat, cruise control, a premium sound system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, big 20-inch wheels, a bed liner, traction control, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has less than 11,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Come experience the Drive Baby Advantage here at the Milton Ruben Superstore.